Hey guys, welcome to our brand new video. It's our new channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon. Another request to you is to share this video. Today's topic is world's most discussed subject: global warming. What is global warming? A gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants. The globe is heating up. Both land and oceans are warmer now than they were when record-keeping began, in 1880, and temperatures are still ticking upward. This rise in heat is global warming, in a nutshell. Here are the bare numbers. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, between 1880 and 1980, the global annual temperature increased at a rate of 0.13 degrees Fahrenheit per decade, on average. Since 1981, the rate of increase has sped up to 0.32 degrees Fahrenheit per decade. This has led to an overall 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit increase in global average temperature today compared to the pre-industrial era. In 2019, the average global temperature over land and ocean was 1.75 degrees Fahrenheit above the 20th century average. That made 2019 the second hottest year on record, trailing only 2016. The causes of global warming. To figure out the causes behind rising global temperatures, scientists start with what is known. They know based on scientific evidence that the planet is warming, and they have long known that greenhouse gases warm Earth's atmosphere. They know too that humans emit large quantities of those same heat-trapping gases, most importantly including carbon dioxide, by burning fossil fuels and the release of the resulting emissions to the atmosphere. To explain how gases like carbon dioxide are heating up the planet, climate scientists and communicators often use blankets as a metaphor. As humans burn fossil fuels, heat-trapping emissions accumulate in the atmosphere. Adding more of these gases to the planet's atmosphere is like adding layers of blankets on top of a bed. Carbon dioxide exists naturally in the environment, trapping infrared radiation and keeping the planet warm. Without it, the Earth would be a chilly -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Human activity since the Industrial Revolution has led to an excessive amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and as a result, the Earth has been warming unnaturally over the last couple hundred of years, a phenomenon known commonly as global warming. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is the largest contributor to global warming. Electricity production, transportation, and industry are the largest anthropogenic, or human-born, sources of carbon dioxide. One of the main causes of global warming is factories. The factories produce a huge amount of chemical waste and emits a lot of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases by burning fossil fuels, which cause global warming and damage the ozone layer. Ozone layer is an important layer for the Earth as it filters the sunlight. There are very harmful light of the sun like ultraviolet ray which can burn our skin. Ozone layer protect us from this type of harmful rays. Effects of global warming. The effects of global warming or climate damage include far-reaching and long-lasting changes to the natural environment, to ecosystems, and human societies caused directly or indirectly by human emissions of greenhouse gases. It also includes the economic and social changes which stem from living in a warmer world. Human-caused climate change is one of the threats to sustainability. Many physical impacts of global warming are already visible, including extreme weather events, glacier retreat, changes in the timing of seasonal events, example, earlier flowering of plants, sea level rise, and declines in Arctic sea ice extent. The future impact of global warming depends on the extent to which nations implement prevention efforts and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Ocean acidification is not a consequence of global warming, but instead has the same cause, increasing atmospheric carbon dioxide. Climate change has already impacted ecosystems and humans as well. In combination with climate variability, it makes food insecurity worse in many places and puts pressure on fresh water supply. This in combination with extreme weather events, leads to negative effects on human health. Rising temperatures threaten development because of negative effects on economic growth in developing countries. The social impact of climate change will be further affected by society's efforts to prepare and adapt. Global warming already contributes to migration in different parts of the world. Near-term climate change policies significantly affect long-term climate change impacts. Stringent mitigation policies might be able to limit global warming, in 2100, to around 2 degrees Celsius or below, relative to pre-industrial levels. Without mitigation, increased energy demand and extensive use of fossil fuels might lead to global warming of around 4 degrees Celsius. Higher magnitudes of global warming would be more difficult to adapt to, and would increase the risk of negative impacts.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.